How to fix iPhone unavailable. Try again in 8 hours. When your Apple device says, iPhone unavailable, try again in 8 hours, you may feel puzzled and worried. This guide will look at a number of ways to fix these issues. Fix 1. Erase unavailable iPhone unlocked screen. Tap Forgot Passcode. Then click on Start iPhone Reset. Enter your Apple ID passcode to verify your identity. Then click the Erase iPhone option. Just wait for your iPhone to reboot. Fix 2. Unlock unavailable iPhone without entering passcode. First of all, you must install iTunes on your computer in advance. Go to Download and install iSunshare iPhone Passcode Genius on your PC. Then launch the software. Click the Unlock Lock Screen option. Click the Start button. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Then put it into recovery mode. Click the Next button to continue. The software will detect your device model automatically. Click Download button to download the firmware package. You should pay attention to the notices. Click the Unlock button to begin unlocking. Finally, your iPhone passcode is removed and all data on iPhone is wiping off. Fix 3. Erase unavailable iPhone with Find My. Here you need to make sure that Find My iPhone function has been enabled on the unavailable iPhone before it becomes unavailable. Go to iCloud.com. Sign in with your Apple ID. Go to click on Find My option. Sign in with your Apple ID again. Choose your unavailable iPhone. Click on Erase this device option. Click OK and you will get an erased iPhone. Fix 4. Factory Reset Unavailable iPhone with iTunes. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Then put it into recovery mode. Open iTunes. Click the Restore button. Hit on Restore and Update button to go ahead. Click the Next and then the Agree button. In no time, iTunes start downloading the latest iOS on your device. And it will be installed after downloading. When the process ends, your iPhone will be restarted and display the hello screen. That's all there is to today's topic. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you succeed in one of the methods.